We out here street skating, man, in the Macon, Georgia crust. Out here in the crust of Macon, Georgia. We decided we'll vlog the situation. Man, we woke up at 6 a.m. this morning to hit a spot all the way in Macon, which is an hour from where we stay at. Man, we get up to the Mac, it started raining. As soon as we get to the spot, we had to wait for the rain to stop. As soon as the rain stopped, the fucking spot got populated. The traffic picked up because it's a very high traffic area. You know what I mean? It was just a whole lot going on, so we had to dip. But this happened. This happened in the midst of it. Bit down there got broke off. We got my boy over here working.
Oh, they got me working.
I had brought me down orange glove just so I can look like I work here.
I heard that shit. I'm part of the ocean today, boy.
Tight shit.
Yeah, this bitch gonna be up the code by the time I get done with motherfuckers. Boy, y'all ain't know that nigga Lord goddamn worked in construction, boy.
Man, yeah.
Where's stop? Where we out here? Oh. Damn. They, oh, baby. Yeah. God damn it. Oh.
He just whipped that bitch through the... We finna hit your head, nigga.
Fuck with me, dog. No, never mind, nigga. That's too high, goddamn. Oh.
He stuck. Oh my God, he just keep going up. I was finna say.
Just goddamn. Hit that son of a bitch, boy. Oh. Yes, sir. About to hit a construction flip on their ass.
Man, that bit ain't big, though.
Yeah, I got you.
I'll catch you. That's a good ass angle, bro.
Oh yeah, that big on a little hard.
Facts, hit one more though.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look what the fuck we just set up. We ain't even check to see if this shit gonna grind, but if like it's metal on metal action, we'll see. It should work. Fuck it. That him though. I lucky ain't think he was gonna grind.
I'll try it one more time.
You got this shit.
See what the fuck going. Switch guy today, son. Switch guy today.
Let me do one more. I do want to kind of like try to ride away regular.
And feel that bit.
Yeah.
Just feel that bit.
I said panic. I ain't grab the panic. I ain't know what to do. All right, ready?
Yeah. Nah, that bit was like, I could tell as soon as you hit it, like that bit got better.
I might try to switch up, man. What you say?
I say do it. I say do it.
Right.
I don't give a damn. Oh, so you trying to get fancy on a nigga? Okay. Damn.
That's weird. I'm swerving like this.
Got that Rampage Jackson motherfucker. Oh.
I don't do this on the camera. Well, I'll do.
First tee type of day. Yeah. First tee day.
That's crazy.
3 set.
Wait, you see a 3 set? Okay, yeah.
3 set, 4 set.
Yeah, man, you see my shit over there, man. My shit look good over there, man. What the fuck? Yeah, man, we just stumbled upon the Fickling building.
Damn,
Nice
right.
little 3-stair up and down. You know what I'm saying? It's a little taller than I expected. It's kind of tall 3-stair, but we can try to do something here. We just really riding around trying to find spots. Like, I mean, it don't be shit else to do. Niggas don't really be on the type of time that we on, so you know what I'm saying? We just gotta make shit happen when we can.
Yeah, we street niggas today, man.
Street niggas, man.
Damn, boy, look like a fucking dirt clod from the last spot, bro. I believe it.
That's crazy. You don't mean like from the road that shit look small as hell.
Nah, it really did though.
That's why I instantly thought, okay, up and down. You know what I mean? Like you do something up, you do something down.
Yeah, fact. But nah, that bit really like one of them.
Matter of fact, this would be a good spot for me to practice my switch shoves again.
Hey.
180 up, switch shove down.
Facts.
The way we're gonna shove that bit, cause my boy gonna be backwards anyway.
Man, that bit, I thought you hit that bit then.
I'm gonna do that shit. I'm tired too though, that's part of it. Like, I'm just getting tired, man.
Popping up this bit takes some work though, nigga. Like, hey, on me. Bit gotta jump out the gym type shit. Goddamn. Just go ahead and hit that bit right here though. You gotta tell yourself I'm really him. Really him. I want to. See? That's what he said, huh?
I didn't even know that.
Yeah. That bit hit that goddamn stupid. Okay. Boy. Hey, that bit was about to be hard.
God damn. That shit just took some energy, bro, just then.
We just came out this bit, goddamn, went straight to work, no eating.
I ate some eggs and shit this morning.
Hey, I ain't eating shit.
God, dog, I'm tired. I'm so tired, I can't even cuss. What the heck?
What the freak?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
I might save that clip anyway. That might be an actual clip.
Yeah,
Facts.
facts.
That on the real camera.